today we have a treat especial. So I just recently installed this, and now we're going to take it out for a different one. So without having to pull all this apart, take your plastic trim, guys, pop this up in the corners here, pop it out, and then carefully pull it. Well, there's wires hooked to all this, so don't overdo it. A piece of wire, kind of wrap it around these, and then you gotta tug it carefully, and it'll pop this out. Now you can see the 2 screws we have to pull out. Pull those out, and then you gotta, it's kind of hard to do one-handed, so I'm not gonna. You gotta pull this up and out at the same time. Alright, there you have it. Display module free. See the tabs here, how they work. It's mostly up, but you gotta pull it forward just a little bit to get it to clear. So this is what I added. It's the multi-function display from a Forester Premium or Limited or something, because it's got this small display here that doesn't work on my car because I have manual climate controls. But Foresters also had manual climate controls, but came standard with the display. So notice how it's centered and there's not that display that doesn't do anything. And then this is a treat especial right here. This is a Japanese market WRX cover, which fits right in there. As you can see, it sticks out a bit further, and it's padded with red stitching. Ooh, yeah. So there we go. That looks pretty sweet. We got the screws back in. This panel slides into place and clicks on in. And this guy, dropping down, lift up. Make sure it's surrounded on the radio right. And we'll just lock him back in. Yeah. Make sure I didn't unhook this, but just double check. And there we have it. So here's the other display from the Forester. It's the same exact thing as the other one. Still don't know what the heck that means. But we'll have to go through and set the stuff up on it like the other car, or the other screen, I mean, and it'll be good. But yeah, that's fantastic. I love it. So just a short thing today about that. Oh wait, one more thing. Check this out. Here's this door. The fuse panel, right? Here's a new one from Japan. See, it's got the sticker on it for the fuses. I don't know if they match exactly. I don't think so. That's okay, it's close enough. But it has a bin. Cost cutting. So once again, it's hard to do this stuff one-handed. I'll just do it. There we go. There's a bundle of wires in here that need to get zip tied up, but now there's a little compartment here. It's little, doesn't fit that, but it will fit my little square and my nail clippers. Keep them out of the way. Excellent. There we go. I don't know why they cheaped out, but there we go. So we'll throw this just in here for now. You can stay there. there we go. It's not much, but a little extra storage goes a long way, especially in a smaller car like this. Whew, it's cold out today. 13. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Decided to start up vehicles today. Unfortunately, the Outlander GT's battery was out of juice, so I had to jump it. Here's the Baja with 333,000 miles on it. Excellent. $244,597 on this 2012 Prius C. It's on. There it goes. Excellent. Neutral. $150,519 on this guy. Excellent. I know this is technically cheating, but I don't feel like going back there. There it goes. 168,000 on that one. The van I just ran, so I don't care. And I guess for shits and giggles, we'll start this too. All right, guys, you ready? All right, ready to go. Just kidding, we don't need to actually use this right now. I'm going to change the air filter on the Subaru, so I figured while I'm out here, I may as well start everything and get everything going.